Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to clear browser cache on Trust Wallet application. If you want to clear your browsing cache on Trust Wallet, then the process is quite easy, so let's follow along till the end. First of all, launch open the Trust Wallet application and log into your wallet. Once you're inside the home page, click on the gear button at the top left corner, and from the settings menu that pops up on the screen, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, click on DApp Browser and then click on Clear Browser Cache. In the pop-up, click OK and this will clear cache, cookies and other browsing data. Soon after you do that, you will be able to clear your cache from your Trust Wallet application. This will remove temporary files but keep your wallet intact. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.